Hello and welcome to the 5-day, six-figure course plan challenge. As you prepare to start your challenge, there's three things I'm going to ask you to do to commit to your success. The first is to put it on your calendar to set aside 5 consecutive days for you to do the challenge. It only takes 1 hour a day to complete the 5-day challenge. Ideally, you set that time at the same time every day for 5 consecutive days in your calendar. There's about 20 minutes of training each day, and then another 30 minutes or so of you taking action on the training. So go ahead and put it in your calendar, commit to showing up and learning, and then doing the work based on what you learned. It will all fit into a 1 hour time block each day. The next thing I'd like you to do is to go ahead and set a course launch date. You could launch as soon as 2 weeks from today if you really wanted to. So set a course launch date 2 to 8 weeks from today. When you go through this challenge, you're going to come up with a plan that's going to allow you to launch a lot sooner than you think. And then the third and final thing is for you to commit to showing up and not just learning, but also taking action on what you learn each day. We've made it simple for you. We've put worksheets together. We've distilled down with no fluff all the essential training and things you need to know and understand and learn and take action on to come up with your six-figure course plan in just 5 days. So please come and learn and take action on what you learn. I'm so excited that you're here, and I can't wait to see you on day 1 of the challenge.